Hi guys! I promised you 2 buttercream recipes today. One I shared already and I'm gonna link it for you here. It was for Swiss Meringue Buttercream. It's my personal favorite. But if you're looking for a super simple and quick to make buttercream recipe, which is also perfect for cakes, for cupcakes, it pipes really beautifully and is really smooth, then this is the way to go. I'm gonna share my American Buttercream recipe, which I think is the easiest buttercream recipe to make. So the key thing to remember with this recipe is not to go with the measurements when it comes to the cream. So you want to add the cream slowly and watch the texture and add as much or as little as you need to reach the perfect texture for whatever you're making. So if you're going to use this for covering cakes, you can add a little bit more of the cream and make it softer. But if you want to pipe on cupcakes, for example, you might want to make roses, then you want to keep the buttercream quite thick, or the consistency, so that it pipes nicely. So you want to just add the cream depending on the purpose that you're making this buttercream for. For more tips, check out the recipe over on my website, and now let's get started with the recipe. First, you want to start by adding all of the softened butter into your standing mixer with a whisk attachment and whisking it for a couple of minutes until it's very soft and pale. Like here you can see the butter is nice and pale and really soft, and then you can start adding about half of your powder sugar. You want to run the whisk on low and add the powder sugar and then turn it up. You will notice that it's not gonna all mix in, but you just want to whisk it shortly so that it starts to combine. Then you want to scrape the sides well so that you have all the dry ingredients or all of the powder sugar there at the bottom and not on the sides. Turn the mixer on again and add in the rest of the powder sugar. Then you can add in about 2 tablespoonfuls of the cream and run the whisk again on high until it starts to combine. Then remember to scrape the sides again, because we want all that powder sugar to get mixed in with the butter and cream. Then run your whisk on high again and just have a look whether it all mixes in or you need to add some more cream. I didn't need to add any more cream, and also I whisked my buttercream until it became really pale and white. Here you can see it's really soft and fluffy. This is going to be the perfect consistency to pipe on cupcakes. Also, I wanted to show you a couple of designs you can make with the closed star nozzle using this buttercream. So as I said, in my opinion, this is the easiest buttercream recipe to make, and it's perfect to pipe those shapes on cupcakes, as you could see from the video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you did, don't forget that thumbs up for support, and so I know you are liking these cake basics episodes. And if you don't want to miss any of the coming episode, press the subscribe button and also tap the bell so you'll get the notification once the next episode comes out. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.